Okay, so in this question here, we're asked to work up the total height of the solid, and you notice here what I've written, because it says the cylinder is 5 times the height of the cone. If I call the cone h, I can then call the cylinder 5h, alright? That's the way you go around this. And then radius, it says, is 3, isn't it? The circle there that joins the two shapes. Now we know that the total volume is 144 pi, because the total volume is made up of the volume of the cone plus the volume of the cylinder. Okay, those two added together, and they telling us this is equal to 144 pi, right? So then if it's the answers in terms of pi, if like the volume here, it's possible to do this without a calculator. So volume of cone formula is 1/3 pi r squared h. Volume of cylinder is pi r squared h equals 144 pi. Alright, now on this side now I'm going to substitute in what I know. So I know r squared, because the radius is 3, so that'll be 9, and then times h. Now pi we leave as pi, right? We won't change into 3.14 as we would do on a calculator paper, because you know, they've given this in terms of pi, so we'll just keep things in terms of pi. Pi r squared, so pi times 3 squared times h equals 144 pi. Now, what you can do here is you can simplify this, and of course 1/3 times pi times 9, well, you can do 1/3 times 9, which is 3 pi, okay, h. So the numbers come first, third times 9 is 3, and then pi h. And this then, 3 squared is 9, so it'll be 9 pi h equals 144 pi. 3 pi plus 9 pi is 12 pi, okay, h was 144 pi, and you might notice then there's pi's on both sides. So what we can do then is, right, because there's pi's on both sides, we can actually divide through the whole thing by pi. If we divide both sides by pi, then there's nothing wrong with that, okay? It all balances. Pi's will cancel, so you get 12h, pi's will cancel here, equals 144, and then h will be 144 divided by 12, okay? And you get out then 12 centimeters for h. Now we're not quite done, because it's the total height of the solid, and remember the height of the solid is not just the cone, it's the cylinder as well, so that's going to be h plus 5h is 6h. So you need to work out 6h, and that will be of course 72, because you times 12 by 6.